Hey guys, hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Chipotle. I have a bowl, or just a regular bowl, with steak, brown rice, lettuce, cheese, and their corn. And I think I added cheese, but I don't remember. I also have some chips on the side. Last time they literally gave me, it was around Halloween, they literally gave me like free chips, literally, in a small, looks like Halloween trick-or-treat bag for a toddler or even probably a baby. So yeah, that's a big upgrade that they actually gave. I don't know what the heck. Yeah. Hopefully the lettuce is good on this, and the food in general is good, because yeah, I don't think I can deal with having fast food and it's all terrible. Here's how my plate is looking, like all lettuce on top. So, it's pretty good so far. Pretty good for once. Oh yeah, and I think I added some black beans too. Girlfriend. That's pretty good. And I also have a Izzy sparkling Blackberry. They said it was a so-called juice, but yeah, looks like soda to me. You never know these days. I'm trying to look at the different stuff they actually got in here. The corn goes well with the food or whatever, because it kind of give it like a sweet taste to an extent. But, I thought my freaking phone was about to go like to whatever place that phones go when they die and don't wake back up. Cause like I think on the 31st or 31st or whatever, my phone that I just got in February of 2021, and it was like the latest phone or whatever for Samsung, and they was like, I don't know, they want to give out some faulty software, and I didn't know that my device was automatically updated. And yeah, it bricked my phone. It bricked a lot of people's phone, but mine turned back on. So that was good. But on the 31st, yeah, my phone stopped working. I was just on my way to my mama's house, and yeah, when I got there, phone was just like completely blank, but it was still touchable, basically. The screen was. Then next thing you know, talk to Samsung. They say, yeah, it's a firmware issue, blah blah blah. Take it to the people that you bought the phone from. Took it to Spectrum. Well, I didn't initially take it to Spectrum, but I called Spectrum, and it was a woman. It was just like, didn't know what the heck going on. She was reading scripts and stuff anyway. And she was like, yeah, take it to Spectrum. And knowing dang well she knew Spectrum didn't have no diagnostics machine to put it on or whatever, and they still like referred me there. But yeah, took it there. A little girl at the counter, she referred me to actually chat with Samsung, because she said, yeah, they know better. Chatted with Samsung, which I ended up initially went to them at first, and they was like, yeah, they was trying to do the same thing. They was like, yeah, there's no display or whatever, but there's touch. They're the same scenario. And then yeah, they referred me to Samsung store, and the closest one to me was Geek Squad in Best Buy, and I took it in there. And seriously, I had made an appointment. I was in line for an hour almost, even though I made an appointment. They so-called had a lot going on, I guess, at the Geek Squad at Best Buy. But my phone ended up turning on in my freaking purse thing while I was in line. And then, yeah, I was up next, and I was telling them my situation. I was about to pull out my phone, and I was like, yeah, here it go. And then it was on. It was kind of embarrassing, but yeah. They took it back to have it diagnosed, do a diagnostic test on it. And they basically said, yeah, it was from the software, and they confirmed it. And I was like, okay. If it happen again, just call Samsung, whatever, or downgrade your software. That's some BS. I do know it's kind of too much lettuce. Dang, what the heck? It has apple juice concentrate, grape juice concentrate. What the heck? Sparkling water. Trying to wait to see if it was gonna go back down. No added sugar in my plate. Yes. Try and see how this actually works. Yeah, it tastes like so to me, but I guess not. Interesting. I don't think I never had that before. already it. It's almost my bedtime. Really feel like I was holding this shit for a long time. I really feel like that. It really tastes like fat drippings in some of the parts. Like fat drippings of a steak. But I highly doubt that they have that in there. Dang. Izzy. It has a really nice taste to it. But I don't think it's worth the price if it's going to be paid full price. I think it was like $3.49 if you would have paid full price for that drink. So, not even. I'm done. Yeah, this, I think it's more than I used to eat, at least. As far as when I got to the hospital. Yeah, I just heard somebody by my door. Yeah, that was Nick by my door. Jeez. I forgot what I was saying. But I'm done. Yeah, with this on my side, ain't in a while. she getting something delivered too. Interesting. Dang. Everything was well balanced. Like all the food, like connected and did what it has to do. I don't have no complaints this time. Well, I can. I can, like, I wish, well, I know I don't need it, but it could have been more seasoned as far as the food. It doesn't have the season that I'm used to, or when I order fast food, like all the sometimes good seasoning. So yeah, not as much seasons, but that's a good thing. I need it, so that's always good. And the drink was pretty good. I wouldn't pay the regular price for it though. Perfect. But yeah, the chips are pretty bomb too. They're well seasoned. Some chips I just threw away actually had too much seasoning on it. Some of them did look like they used some kind of sea salt. But they had like big, like salt or whatever. Excuse me. Season. Almost taste like these kind of been out almost too long, but not too long, but they're still edible. But yeah, it seems like they were out for a minute, and then somebody refried them. The one at the bottom will start tasting like this. But altogether, everything was good. I would most definitely go there again if they actually had the same taste of their food. Yeah. I'm probably gonna eat this for breakfast or lunch. I don't eat breakfast or lunch anymore, so well, technically I do, but I don't eat big portions. So I'm gonna actually see, it may even be dinner for tomorrow, so we'll see how this actually works. Oh man, ever since, yeah, that it was kind of cold for January the 1st, seemed like I've been having like a slight cold. Not like a slight cold, but boogies coughing up here and there. So hopefully that's something can go away soon. Cause yeah, I ain't trying to deal with all that crap right about now. But I'm just gonna say it's the weather change, but you never know. Jeez, was I supposed to do it like this? Okay. It's gonna just have to do it like this today. I just don't want food to taste stale. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, that'll work for now. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for still watching me or whatever. Even though sometimes I'm sure of it, 99% of the time where it can be boring, but yeah. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy. Have a great week and great weekend as well. If I don't see you guys anytime sooner, but enjoy. Love on your family and friends.